Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the engine starter is located, you have up to 3 different fuses that you may need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So now, guys, if you need to find the starter fuse, where you can find it, we will need to check 3 fuses in one fuse box. You have multiple fuse boxes, but we will work in just one that's under the hood. So go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you have a fuse box. Under this cover, open it. You'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. By the way, before we continue, guys, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here now we need to check 3 different fuses. We're going to zoom in a little bit, okay? Now, by the way, guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. The first fuse that you need to check, that's 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 3 right here is the first engine starter fuse. Then you check 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fuse number 9. That 10M fuse will need to be checked. After that, you will need to check 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That 20M fuse, guys, that's the one that you will need to check for the starter here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.